Did I talk too early? This is ridiculous. Those clouds aren't giving up, so the only thing that I can give up is this video right now. What's going on, guys? Justin from FLIPZCO here. We are shooting today. I've been wanting to do this video for a really long time regarding my daily driver. 2015 Toyota Tundra Platinum. Very blessed to have this truck. It's been my dream truck to have. You guys have been commenting, asking after I think I did the wheel setup. So when I first got the wheels from VTX, you guys were like, please do a truck check. Well, here's your chance. I'm doing a truck check. I'll show you a brief overall walk around and things like that, and then we'll go from there. I don't know if you could tell in the background here, it's gonna rain. Like, it's gonna storm on us soon. I hope I can get some drone shots of this truck in the area that I am, because I'm a little close to my local airport. We'll go over it in the parking garage, but this is just insane, and I gotta get out of the rain because I really want to finish this truck check. Just got a car wash too. 60-degree weather and sunny. You weathermen are doing your job. You're supposed to know that it's gonna pour all day. What the heck? Watch, I'm gonna leave this area. Rain's gonna stop. Not a big deal. Whoa! So right now you're looking at the VTX Rogue Series wheels. They're 18 by 9.5 plus 18, so it clears the brakes on the Toyota Tundra. They got gigantic freaking calipers in the front. So I didn't paint them, I didn't do nothing yet, just because I'm thinking about going with a big brake kit. So it's kind of pointless to do that. Maybe even switch up the suspension sometime down the line. I really don't want to go anything crazy. Like the most I'd probably go is like a 4-inch lift. I'm right next to the city, and I do take this truck into the city sometimes, so it's kind of pointless to have a gigantic 6-inch lift or 7-inch lift, even though I am a big fan of the BDS kit on the Tundra. But walking around, I didn't even change the headlights yet. We did run these like eBay fender flares that luckily paint matched the truck, so that was a pretty good thing. And then let me go over the back seats real quick. So you got the leather stitching, like I was saying. When you flip this up, I got the Husky mats. I don't know if you can tell. Let me see if I can turn this light on. But I got the Husky mats in the back. They're like still brand new. I highly suggest picking up the Husky mats over any of those other mats that are on the market right now. I got the roll-in lock bed cover, the tonneau cover. So what it does is it literally just slides open for you. So I unlock this, and then the whole bed just kind of slides right open. Got my snowboard. Don't mind the mess, I apologize. My girlfriend and I just got back from a snowboarding trip, so it's a little messy. But yeah, that's basically all I got so far is the mats, the wheels, the tires. Oh, I didn't go over that either. It's a 33-inch TOYO open country RT. I love them. They don't hum, they don't make any noise on the highway. It's probably one of the quietest tires that I've ever had. I've had the Nitto Trail grapplers, and those things just howl. So if you are a truck owner and you have big tires on your truck, you'll know what I'm talking about it with the howl. So other than that, yeah, I just kept it simple, and I didn't want to go too crazy with it, but I definitely, for the first 6 months of owning this truck, I love this truck 110%. Let me know if I should add, what I should add on this truck. Give me some you know, I didn't even change the exhaust because it just sounds so good, but like, let me turn this truck on for you. Like, it's loud enough that I don't need an exhaust system, which is great. But the thing looks insane. The truck drives great. There's really no reason to change anything and go crazy with it. All right, guys, it's gonna be the end of the video. I apologize that it wasn't that long, and I apologize that, you know, I couldn't really do much with Mother Nature. I'm gonna salvage what clips I have just for the post. Hopefully we got enough cinematic. Hopefully I got enough, you know, going over what I have done to this truck, because it's really not that much, and I don't want to waste a video, number one, and number two, I know you guys have been patiently waiting for this video, so that's another thing. And you keep doing our thing, and tomorrow we're gonna go to 506 wraps, see what's the progress on the Supra, and we bought a bunch of parts, we sold a bunch of carbon stuff. I met a lot of great Supra owners, and yeah, we're just gonna bring you a lot of Supra content, so stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.